Hi, welcome back to the episode 2 of How to Dance Salsa. This is the second series we are doing of the tutorials we did earlier with Bachata with the 5 episodes. Here we have again 5 episodes of Salsa. My partner PARINI.
Hi.
Okay, we'll just go through what we did in the last episode with the basic and everything. We start with the basic first of Salsa. We start with 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, and we do the side basic now. We did 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Now the next step was side dip. We do 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. The next one is inside out. We go back with 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. So that's the 4 steps we did: basic, side dip and inside out. Today we're going to do is called as side cross. So we start with the left feet again. We go on side. We go 1, we step 2 there and we cross the feet. Again we do the same thing on 5, 5, we step the feet and we cross it again. We do again 1, we step and we cross, and we 1 and we step and we cross. So that's our side cross. Okay. The next step is a right turn. So we step the feet forward, we step the second feet there and we turn. We do it slowly with on the counts first. We step 1, we step 2 there itself. We don't try to turn quickly. Okay, one more time again. We step 1, we step 2 there and then we spin on the third beat, and then we go back on 5, 6 and 7. Your eye contact should be straight to the point of 2 till the time you are taking a turn. We step 1 forward, we look there, we turn on 3 and we take it back 5, 6 and 7. That's our right turn. Just because we turn from the right side, that's our right turn. We do the whole thing together now, from the basic, side dip, inside out, side cross and the right turn. Everything we do it on the counts first. We do from basic, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we go on side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we do side dip, 1, 2, dip, 5, 6, dip, we do inside out, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We do side cross now. We do 1, 2, we do cross and 5, 6, we cross again. We do the right turn, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Now we'll have this all thing on the music first, like we do everything twice. Can we have the music please? We do everything 2 times, okay? We do it on the music now. Catch on the beats there with 1, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, one more time and 1, 2, 5, we go on side, 1, 5, again, dip, one more time, and inside out, 1, and side cross, 1, cross, 5, cross, step, cross, 5, and a right turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Great enough. Can we have the music stop please? Thank you so much for watching. I hope these steps are clear. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you. Bye.